Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Luna. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental controls. Amazon Luna inherits parental controls from your Amazon account and device settings. You can restrict access to mature games and purchases. Make sure to enable these settings through the parent dashboard. In order to do it, let's go to Menu and next go to Settings. Enter Parental Controls and firstly create your PIN. Next, enable Parental Controls. Here you can enable Prompt PIN on purchase, Prompt PIN on Luna broadcast, hide Twitch content, hide trailers and screenshots, and you can enable Prompt PIN before gameplay for PEGI 18, 16, 12 and 7. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.